Who's cooking with cutting-edge firewood? One of the most influential voices in barbecue, John Marcus, has said, "These chunks are everything I'm looking for in a wood. Consistent in their burn and smoke, subtle flavor. Been raving about them. Gonna want to repeat my order." Top Chef Richard Blaze, winner of Bravo's Top Chef All-Stars, also agrees that firewood is an ingredient. Once you wrap your head around that and understand that great cooking uses great ingredients, you'll want to use cutting-edge firewood. And here we have four-time Super Bowl champion and Football Hall of Famer Terry Bradshaw give his thoughts on our firewood.
Listen, folks, if you need firewood, call Cutting Edge Firewood in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm telling you right now, it is amazing. I still have 2 racks. It's the best for all of you out there that like to barbecue.
Check out our top-of-the-line firewood today at cuttingedgefirewood.com.